G'day YouTube. So, we're putting the clutch back together on the truck, having some dramas with that. So I thought I better air it up manually, because I can't start it. I can't get the thing to wind over. I don't know whether the battery's flat or something's a little bit jammed, but the battery charge is on. So I thought, alright, we'll use the little Milwaukee inflator to charge up the main air tank that controls the clutch. Alright, we'll drain out pull the bleeder out, which was blocked. Look, it came out. It's still coming out. Isn't it unfreaking believable? So I used to get a tiny little bit of water to come out of it when I used to open the bleeder. The second tank, there's a back tank up there. It's run some of the accessories, and the back one used to get a little bit of water as well. Look what it was blocked with. It's jelly. Thing's a freaking maintenance nightmare. This poor truck must have been so neglected before I got it. Look at that crap coming out of there, and like the tank's on a lean forward, so I'm gonna have to do this again once I get it all going, just to get all this shit out. Damn, that's gonna take some cleaning up. I was gonna get out from under the truck. I'm under the diesel tank at the moment. I was gonna get out from under the truck and go and get a tray real quick, but didn't happen. It came out that fast. Let's fire the little pump up and see if we can't pressurise it again, get some more crap out. Anything meant to work with that in the water. That water in the air. Yeah, I was thinking she was all good and she wasn't making much moisture. Poor tiny little hole in this valve. It's just blocked as hell. All the road grime gets up in the hole there, evidently. I used to get a little trickle of water, then it'd stop. Here I was thinking that was in good nick. Anyway, we got the clutch mounted over there. We've got to get that tail shaft adapter flange off. I'm going to leave that just to drip for a bit while the batteries are on the charger. I really hope nothing's jammed in the clutch mech. I'm going to just try and turn the engine over with a bar if I can. It might be easier said than done. I just hope it's a flat battery, because otherwise we've got a whole nother nightmare to deal with. But you know how much goo's come out of that? That is just rubbish. So, one thing at a time. We'll let that goo fall out, let the batteries charge up. Go and get something to scoop this up into so I can throw it in the fire pot and get rid of it. Let's bolt the tail shaft back together and go for that, because worst case I can always put the truck in a gear, give it a push and see if it winds over. I'll use the excavator to push it, just see if the engine rotates. I'm not sure why it's not going to turn. Hopefully just flat. Look at that, it's just continual big globs of crap coming out. So my idea was, I was just going to put this little Milwaukee pump on there, get it up to 50-60 pound, whatever, and then just switch from the nozzle and throw the valve back in so it's shut. Or I was going to just shoot up the valve so that it's sealed off again, and we'd have air in the system, because there's no redundancy. There's no way of charging it with air. I tried to do the back tank, but the back tank and the front tank are separated by a check valve, so that you've always got braking air, which is evidently the one that's leaked out over the last 3 or 4 days of sitting here. alright after a few days, you don't mind, but everything would be a whole lot better sealed if it wasn't for this kind of crap. Anyway, rant over. Thought I'd show you. Pull the valve out of the bottom of your air tank every now and again, because this one was clearly blocked and like shit could be building up in your air tank, which you really don't want. I noticed a bit of oil in the front tank, and that's what made me think about it. Oh, a bit of oil in the rear tank, I mean. So, yeah, keep your eyes open. Maintenance quick tip. Thanks for watching, dudes. Catch up.